more sales in Amazon. Even you are not gonna get sales like the others who are paying to promote their links. So today I'm gonna show you people how you people can promote your links in just 10 days. You start making sales, and it is simple and easy. Okay, so the first place that we are going to look is like Facebook. So when you look at my Facebook page here I upload videos, of course, but I also upload links to promote my affiliate links here. Okay, so the other thing is Facebook is not that much faster to sell in this program like affiliate links. If you pay for the promotion or for ads, you can make more sales. But the other one that I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna show you like I always do is Quora. Instead of paying other YouTubers or paying 10-20 euro for you to make a promotion, if you don't have enough money to make payment, you can use Quora, because Quora is a free website that you will not pay nothing. They can even help you to gain money from them, instead of paying them. You can monetize your Quora page also, but here is Quora. In 10 days, I have 2,131 38 views and 4 followers. Upvote, you have 4. Okay, so here how did I do all these things? I always try to came here and share links, different type of links, girls, women's, men's, children's, articles, even iPhones, iPads, laptops. When you press this laptop here, this Apple laptop is almost 1085, and it is my link. So here also you can see this one also here. Here also is almost 1000 or something here, 1599. So when someone buy this one also here, I'm gonna gain more money. I'm gonna gain my revenue, even though it's not that much, but it helped me to go at least. So this is the new account that I opened. I've been doing affiliate marketing with Amazon for 2 good years. So this is the new link that I opened, this account that I opened here, and in 10 days I have made 279. So there is no bounties because nobody have signed in the Amazon Premium through using my links. And here I have in 10 days 768 clicks. Okay, so why here is 768 and here in Quora is more than what you see. Okay, in Quora I upload contents also in Quora. Okay, so here you can see like when you search, like here I have uploaded okay, freelance. Here I said this side hustle could be the perfect condition to additional to your portfolio and even give you some extra cash. The average pay for writing or proofreading varies, but if you are good at writing what you do, there is the potential to earn up to 3K per month from just 3-4 complete jobs. Okay, so why I used to upload all these things also, these topics also in Quora, because I'm not intended to monetize my content. I'm trying to make sales in Quora. So instead of monetizing them, when you click here, it says monetize and it says free. So I use only free. So I use free to give people this opportunity to read this content. Then later, the more they search it, maybe they can also get into my account and search. And so many people have did it. I'm happy and I see a good turn back. So if you want to make a sale very faster without paying nothing, the simplest and the easiest way is here. Here you can see also when you open instantly my profile, you will see details. In details, I put only this iPhone there because when they click it, it's 949. So I will get my income and I'll be very very happy. Okay, so there's other thing also. Before when you open Amazon affiliate program, you see everything instantly in front of you. But now things are changed. So now when you open it, you will just see this thing and you'll be like, what is going on? Okay, so when you came here, when you came to Amazon, when you open your Amazon account, any Amazon if you want, just when you open it, you will see like things here. So what you're gonna do is like just press one thing, one article that you know that okay, I'm interested in this thing, I can just share it. You just came here. Here you will see said Amazon program affiliation Amazon affiliate program. So I'm sorry, it's in Italian, that's why. Okay, so here you can see it said seed strip. That seed strip it means here that the affiliate program now is directly in the Amazon. Anything you click, anything you share, you get commission. If somebody click your link and then buy another article that is different with the link that he or she clicked, you make money also from it. Okay, so here it says test, and here also says test and image. So I'm sorry, it's in Italian if you are getting confused. That's why it said testo, imagine. Okay, so when you click this test, let me try and change it to English and say it. Okay, it said text here. Now you click it. If you want also, you can take the full link also here. When you click the full link, you will see everything here, you see? But it's very, very long, so I think using this one is better. So when I click here, then I will come to maybe like let's say Facebook, or I will go to Quora. When you open Quora, just came here, post, and then click. This is how I do. In Facebook also, I will come here, I'll just click and post. So when I do this, then I'll come back here and say and click all the description here. Boom. I'll just post it here and then post it in Quora also. Here is done. So you see, instead of putting it into the monetization, I will just free it because it says unlock this post. So if anybody wanna watch what is this thing, they must pay. So instead of pay, they must be among the premium members. So this is what I use, for free, and then I'll just make my incomes also. So and also the new changes that Amazon is doing is like Amazon will not like you will not go and ask for your payment every month, because for me all these 2 months, even last 2 months that is past, I don't ask nothing and I get my money directly in my account. So how can you know that this is the article that they click? You just came here. When you came under the cash, you see everything here. So here they will tell you, sorry. Okay, here they summary, commission and bounties. So here you can see everything. You can see which article that they click and which article they buy. Okay, how many articles you ship, how many articles they ordered, and here you can see this is the second thing that they buy. But I never sell this one. I never promote this article here. The one I promoted, is the mixer. This one here. So this one I even have it because I'm a DJ, so I use this one also for my protection, for my backup when I have problem with my speakers or with my mixer and the interface. I can use it directly with Bluetooth. So here you can see this is how you see your commissions, and you can see everything that will interest you. So that's always Sparta King Sparta. As I told you, anytime I have time, because of the work that I'm doing don't give me time, so things have been going slow and slow and slow. But I hope you enjoyed what I show you, and make sure to try this. This is for free. Instead of paying other YouTubers or ads, you can use Quora for free to promote your affiliate links. And if you open Quora also, you will see so many people are trying to promote their links. You see here also, these people are promoting something. When you just look at it, when you go to their account, you will see something that they are selling. Here you see so many different things. So to make money is very, very easy. So that's always Sparta King Sparta.